What's going on, family? Welcome back to Discover Flavor. Today I got for you turkey necks. So we got our celery, carrots, our green peppers, our onions, our garlic. We're gonna prep those up, get them chopped nice and rough as usual. We got a little knife skills, not too much. All right, let's get those carrots in there, already peeled, already prepped. Let's get them chopped up. Get our green peppers. I keep a bowl, like I said, I keep a bowl around me, just to keep my space clean. Do a little trim, but not too much. Not too much. Got our yellow peppers. I love the colors of the yellow, the green, and the red peppers, man. They just, I don't know, it just does something to the eye. Seeing them cook down, it's beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Drop me a comment, let me know what y'all think. You know? Now we got our onion. Let's go to get those cut. Go ahead and peel those. A nice little dice on them, little chop on them. There's those red peppers. So vibrant. Let's get our garlic going. Oops, one got away. Let's go ahead and smash those and peel them. I'm gonna leave these whole. I'm not gonna chop these up. I'm gonna leave these whole actually. And garlic is good for everything, man. All right, now we got our kosher salt, our garlic salt, onion powder. We have our seasoning salt and freshly ground black pepper. We're gonna add those to our freshly cleaned. I trimmed a little bit of the excess fat and stuff off these turkey necks. So we're gonna go and mix that around and give it another little season. Now we're gonna heat up some olive oil in a nice sized pot. Now that it's hot, we're gonna add our veggies. I'm just gonna sweat these veggies. Not gonna do too much. Now that those have sweat down, we're gonna add our garlic. Man, the aroma is amazing. Now we're gonna add our turkey necks to the pan. We place the veggies in a bowl, sitting off to the side. I'm just gonna get a nice little brown on these, and you know, create a fond on the bottom of the pan. Y'all see that right there? That's called fond. That right there is flavor. Now we're gonna go ahead and saute all those batches. Get a nice little brown on them. They're not done, okay? But they just have, you know, nice brown to them. All right, we're gonna add our chicken bone broth. Scrape those little yummy bits from the bottom. Let's add the rest. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the turkey necks back in there. We're gonna throw the let's throw the veggies on top. Now, as you can see, the turkey necks aren't completely covered. So we're gonna grab some water and we're gonna go and cover those guys. Just to cover them, just so that they cook down. And the vegetables, they're gonna melt right into the doggone chicken necks. This is gonna be so delicious. All right, and it cook down for a few hours. Now you have fall off the bone turkey necks, and I just put rice with it. Get your couple pieces there, and it's real meaty. These are very, very meaty. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notification, guys. And if you made it this far in the video, drop me a comment. Team Turkey Neck. That's what we gonna call it. Team Turkey Neck. All right. So we scooped a little juice on there. Make sure we got some veggies in there as well. Look at that. Oh man. This is so healthy. It's so healthy. Just eat as much as you want to. Enjoy. There you have it, family. We got turkey necks boiled down, braised in its own liquids with veggies. Amazing. All right. Hope y'all enjoy. I'll see y'all on the next video.